First is even as ground has been broken for the upgrade of the Ian Fleming International Airport in Boscobel, St. Mary, there are fresh concerns about the facility's ability to earn and attract its target clientele.
Through an access to information request, TVJ News has new details on the 7-year-old facility, showing it has been a significant drain on the public purse.
Access has been granted to TVJ's Janella Pursues, who now joins us to outline what in the ATI report, but as it turned out, it wasn't easy to get the information.
That's right, Archie. Our ATI request was made over a year ago, February 6, 2017 to be exact. It was denied then, and in a letter signed by Airports Authority Jamaica President Audley Diedrich, we were informed that the, quote, divulgence of information relating to passenger and aircraft movements, as well as revenue and costs of the operation, may negatively prejudice certain commercial discussions in which the AAJ was currently engaged, end quote. Now, we subsequently began the process for the matter to be heard before the appeal tribunal. However, the AAJ had a change of heart, and so we received the documents yesterday. January 12, 2011, the Boscobel Aerodrome is rebranded the Ian Fleming International Airport. Renovation cost over $300 million. The target market, high-end tourists. There were great expectations of foreign nationals flying in and out of the facility on private jets and the like, mirroring scenes of the famed James Bond series, which were created by the man the airport is named after. But the figures from the Airport Authority of Jamaica tell a different tale. In our access to information request, we sought details about the aircraft and passenger traffic at the facility over a 5-year period, 2013 to 2017. In 2013, the number of international passengers arriving at the Ian Fleming International Airport stood at 144, domestic arrivals 792. 2014, there was an improvement, with passenger numbers rising to 299. Domestic arrivals totaled 766. In 2015, international arrivals were 354, domestic arrivals 740. In 2016, both international and domestic arrivals dipped, 264 and 619 respectively. Finally, in 2017, there was a further decline, 241 international passengers arriving at the airport to 428 domestic passengers. In 2016, the government announced the expansion of the facility. Ground for the $65 million project was broken last week.
You have a beautiful highway, and we're going to have a wonderful runway.
Now, over the 5-year period, 2013 to 2017, 5,209 aircraft landed at the airport. There were 5,206 aircraft departures. The information also revealed that the Airports Authority of Jamaica spent a total of $380 million to operate the airport, but the earnings totaled $33.5 million. So with an improved facility, will the fortunes of the Ian Fleming International Airport change? We'll be watching. Doreen, it's over to you.